You're back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I'm back in the building with another video. So, all right, guys, this is going to be the last video of today. Your boy banging out content for y'all. So, as you see from the title of this video, yes, I told y'all I have been spending some money. Too much money, if you ask me. But I have been spending money. These were a must. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all see the thumbnail. So let's hop right into it. So the receipt from Nike. And when I pull out the box, y'all already know what they are. Yes, your boy had to have them. Personal pair, size 10, Jordan 6 DMPs. Yes, sir. So, yes, this was a part of that Unite pack. Y'all already know these were supposed to come out in January. They didn't. Push this thing back like 40,000 times. Finally came out, last week or whatever, and your boy copped them. So, let's see. Wow, here they go. And like they said, that glue smell is strong. It smells pretty good though. So yeah, let's take a look at these because I've been hearing the quality control on these were not that good. So let's see. Looking at mine, the left shoe looks pretty good. The right shoe, we have some threading right there. I can just cut that off, so that's no biggie, but they look good to me, man. Good to me. I'm glad I got a pretty good pair. I did hear that pairs weren't the best. So, yes, here they go. Wow. As y'all see, take a look at that. Jordan 6 DMPs. Y'all already know these was a part of a pack. Came out, I believe, in 06. Y'all already know this is a first shoe Jordan 1 is chipping. Got that dog tag. It ain't gonna pick up, but y'all should already know what it says from all the videos that have been shot on this. It's just Air Jordan 6, June 12th, 1991, defining moment, MJ's first professional championship. So I may leave the dog tag on the shoe since it's gold and the shoe has gold hits. You already know I like the lace cap. I'm going to take that off and put it down here. I like my lace cap below. We all know got the Jumpman with the 23. It's not even stitched, but they have it like gold plated, like pressed in there. That's a sweet touch. Got that gold on the spoiler. Got that gold on the bottom. So yes, these are fire to me. This was a must pick up when we found out that these were coming out. This was definitely one that I had to put in the collection. I'm glad I have it, and that's gonna be it, man, because y'all seen this shoe so many times. So there's not really too much to say about it. I'm gonna do it on foot, and we gonna end the video. See, I killed that on foot. And let me know what y'all think about the DMP 6s. I'm pretty sure you're probably tired of hearing about them, but let me know. Did you cop them? They actually just restocked, I think an hour ago. I saw the notification on my phone, so they've been restocking these like crazy too. So hopefully, all those who wanted a pair get a pair. And that's going to conclude this video. If you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here, guys. Peace. Boom.